Hello, what is up everybody, it's Sayle once again, and today in this video I'm going to show you about top 7 November apps. So yeah, let's get started with this video right now. So guys, on to the list number 1, it's a Boom Audio. So this is a fantastic application that if you guys want to hear the 3D noise on your music, then this is the must-have app for you, because you will have the 3D option here like this. If you guys turn on the effect and you listen to the sound, it should give you the 3D effect, but make sure that you guys are using the headset or earphones to get a better quality. Like, you can use on the loudspeaker, but it won't give you any kind of a good effect. So let me play some. So this is on effect and this effect off. So well, you can see the difference between. So I don't want to get a copyright issue on the video, so that's why I just stopped playing the audio. And yeah, you can try it on your own. So this app only gives you the 3D effect, and there is no any kind of speciality on this application. And you can also see here the settings. As you guys can see here, you can go to the settings here, select the type of the headphone here, just like that. So on coming to the next application is called Find It. So with this application, so if you guys want to find some words, then you can do from your camera now, and it just use the AI, some kind of script, I guess so. So let's say without, and it's going to just mark without and find without. Like, you can see that there is a without plans, and it just mark out. Okay, let's try another one, like plants, where you can see that it just find all the plants. So this will help you to find any kind of word that you type on the search bar. I think it's pretty much cool. And you can also turn on your flashlight. If you guys are in the dark room, you can turn off the flashlight and you will be able to see more details. And I think it's a epic and one of a cool application developer have made. You can donate from here on, giving him a coffee. On to the next hand, there is a quick lyric. So this app lets you play the lyric on the floating area. And I could play music on here, it come just quickly, just like this. And as you guys can see that working fine, and you get to enjoy using the quick lyric just like this. By just installing the quick lyric, you'll get the lyric floating onto your sidebar. So on to the number 4, there is a Hermit. So this app lets you create the lightweight apps that you guys will be able to create any kind of app like Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, and so on, so that you will save your battery life by using the light apps. So you can create by tapping on the create button. And here are some ready-made light apps. As you guys can see here, there is a Facebook, Messenger, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram. So let's try the Instagram for a while, and also Messenger and Facebook and Reddit. Alright, and you guys can see that we have already installed the application here. Here are the new application that you want to try here as a light one. So let's go ahead and try the Reddit, and you can see that it just load up like the official app, and this is the light version, and you will save a lot of battery by using this one. You can block some ads, and you can block rendering and stuff like that. You can also switch this onto the night mode. So I'm on the Reddit night mode. And same goes on to the Instagram and Facebook and all of the other stuff, social media that you guys are trying to create the app. And you can see that it just worked completely fine, and it just worked as perfect. Alright, so yeah guys, you can create the light app using the Hermit. So give it a try, it's very nice and awesome app. And in my next list, there is the CPU information or CPU identifier. So with this application, you will find your system details, like what kind of CPU that you have. Like in my case, there is a Snapdragon 14, which is pretty dumb, and it's a really old one. So you can find a lot of information, like you can see that the processor design, processor architecture, CPU cores, how many CPU cores that you have, or system OS. You can also see the camera spec. This app lets you know all of your system specification, what kind of sensor that you guys are using, and the device. You can also see the manufacture date and everything here. So CPU Identifier is a good app to have if you guys want to know the specification of your Android device. So on to the next list, it's called the Idea Note. So you guys may have already know, or if you guys don't know, this is the great productive app for you. So with the Idea Note, you can create some shortcut. So this is a floating note, as you guys can see that. You can play the note if you guys want to, like just like this one.
Thank you for using Idea Note.
And the next is here, you can also record the button and start typing. And over here you can also have the to-do list, which I think is pretty much awesome. And you can also set the password to your note so that no one can open your note and only you can open this up. So if you guys love the note taking app, then this is the app for you, and it's really simple to use. It just run onto your background just like this. You can tap on here and it should bring you up the Idea Note, and you guys can take the note that you want, like, and tap and done, and it should set the note just like this. And to delete this, you can swipe left, and to archive this, you can swipe right. And that's how you can see that. So if you love the note taking app, then you must try this app. And next app here is called the Sayle X. So you might use this app, but so I found this app is really cool, and you can edit something like a modern design. Like let's say I want to edit this one, and I will use a triangle here. I love to use a triangle. And you can set this neon. You can change the color. You can decrease your intense, but I recommend you guys to set this on the default. So onto the store, you can find a lot of stuff like color brush, which I think is pretty much awesome. As you guys can see that you will get that same effect once you apply this, but you need to buy this everything. So if you want to support a developer and you want to buy everything, you can unlock everything just on here. So for right now, I'll just use the normal one and set on the edit, and from here you can set a glow. If you want to use brush this on here, and you can see that this is a small brush. And over here you can also change the curves like a red and green. I think this one is cool. So with the brush, you can also change here. I'll use a soft brush more than hard brush, and reduce this. Or if you guys have done mistake, then you can restore this by clicking on restore. Using the same brush, you can edit this and untap the restore button and use the soft brush once again, and I want to delete this one. As you guys can see that it just get the same effect as we see on the paid one. So once you're done with your once you're happy, then you can just export this over from here and save this image, and there we go. And here are some other files, like you can also use this one, and the image are all the free one. It's non-copyrighted or royalty free images. And that's all about the 7 best applications. So if you like this video, make sure to give it 20 likes to the video, and also make sure to subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And as usually, I will see you guys in next time. Peace.